Look what I found in here. A little kitty cat. Black kitty cat. Hungry kitty cat. Look at this beautiful red hibiscus. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pick few of them, which is closed like this. Okay, because they're not gonna reopen anymore. I'm gonna leave these open ones because they bring such a beauty. Look at this. Okay, that's nice. Perfect. Well guys, so that's my hibiscus and this is my dehydrator. It's very simple one and it has only like 70 degrees as you see, so I will put this on max. This is just on off light, but first I'm just gonna put everything on the trays. And the hibiscus, there is a few different colors. It's a pink and there is like a red one, and yeah. So just gonna put on my hydrator here. So I got like 3 trays here. Not all of them gonna be for the rose glycerite, I mean hibiscus glycerite, but the rest I just gonna use for the tea. And I'm just gonna put everything up, closing the lid. Yeah, that's it. Putting on and leaving at least for like 10-12 hours because this is pretty slow. It's gonna take some time, and then I'm just gonna check and we'll see. We're gonna need more time for this. Well, so they are completely dry now. It took about 10 hours to dry, and now we are ready to put it in a jar. The thing is that a previous video somehow got deleted, so what I have done in here, I just took a clean jar, then I put my dry hibiscus and I just topped it up with the glycerin. Okay, you just have to make sure that the glycerin, that your hibiscus flowers, it's actually floating in the glycerin. Okay, and just close it and put the date on it. As you see, put the date on it and keep it aside for from 4 to 6 weeks. And from time to time, just turn it around a bit, okay? And that's it. That's how it's done. It's very simple and easy to do, and it gives great benefits and especially a lovely color for your ingredients, for your formulas. And the rest of the hibiscus I'm just putting in the bag, and I'm just gonna use it as a tea. It's very good, especially during the menstruation period time. And that's it. Thank you. Well, hello guys. So as I mentioned before, usually you're keeping the glycerite for like 4 to 6 weeks. Well, in this case it's been about 8 or 9 weeks, but that's fine. So as you can see, it's here, lovely and nice. It's very thick because there's no any water in it. So what we need to do, we just need to open it. Okay, now I have a little beaker, like we'll see which one I'm gonna use, and you're gonna need like a cheesecloth, you know, and just put around your container in which you wanted to transfer, and a little rubber gum here. And what I want to do, I just want to put it like slightly to sit this into this, you see. And now it's just gonna, I'm gonna just leave it and let it itself do it, you know. Not gonna force it, just gonna leave like this because I do have time. So I'm gonna see you in a while. Welcome back, guys. So I got in here and it's about 100 milliliters here. Okay, it doesn't have really smell. The thing is, what I want to do, I want to do it again, like to do a double one more time. because I do see there is some little pieces of dry hibiscus plant. So I'm just gonna do one more time into this another little smaller jar. Okay, we are almost here, as you see. It's perfect. It still will be left about 90 milliliters, and it's the lovely color. As I said to you, I cannot smell really anything because hibiscus doesn't really smell. I might can smell a little bit of like a glycerin, but glycerin doesn't really smell at all. So what you can use this for, you can use for your own formulations, for any of the face creams, gel washes, face washes, literally for any formulations, you know. And instead of using just the glycerin, you know, you can use a glycerite. That's what it is. There is no water in there whatsoever. And my hibiscus flowers I dried them in dehydrator, so they was super dry. There was no water in the flowers as well. Therefore, we're not gonna put any preservative in it. So yeah, super deep color, and I just have now a little this fancy glass bottle, and what we need to do, we just need to transfer it into here, close it, and to put it aside to keep it for our formulations. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I see you next week. Bye.